So now some people want to know what they've planted and where they've planted it. And there's a billion different ways of how to mark it, whether you have a journal or you do it on your iPhone. A simple way is taking aluminum pieces of aluminum cans and just engraving the name of what you have planted on the tomato cage. The nice thing about this is no matter how much rain or how much sun you have, the aluminum is indented with the name of the variety, and you can just simply put it on your tomato cage or your string where you've planted it if you do the Florida weave, and that thing's not coming off. And now you know what type of tomato you have, and by knowing what you planted, you have a good indication of when that plant should reach maturity. So you might want to try the aluminum can method, and if you don't have aluminum cans, you certainly can find somebody who has them.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.